Hey, it's Mr. Barre. It is Friday, at least in my world. I don't know what day it is in your world. And I just ate a bunch of Cheetos, and I'm feeling pretty good about life right now. Actually, it's not a Friday, it's a Thursday. But tomorrow's a day off, so it feels like a Friday. Bottom line, I'm in a good mood. So let's do some probability stuff here. Probability, we're looking at experimental probability. Imagine you flip a coin. What is the probability of getting heads? Well, I know that's 1/2. There's 1 heads and 2 options. That's the theoretical probability. That is what should happen. The experimental probability is that I actually get out here with a coin and I start flipping a coin, flipping a coin, flipping a coin. I flip it 20 times. And of those 20 times, I end up with 12 out of 20, which would reduce to what? 6 over 10, or 3/5. So the experimental is what actually occurs. The theoretical is how I calculate it and I can do all these numbers. It's what should happen, but the experimental is what actually happened. And that's the difference between the theoretical probability and the experimental probability. So let's do some problems here. Joyce flips a weighted coin 20 times and gets 4 tails. What is the experimental probability that the next flip will come up tails? Well, she had 4 favorable events out of 20 total events. That's going to reduce to 2/10 or 1/5. She has a 1/5 probability. The probability of tails is 1/5 or 1 in 5. For every 5 flips, she gets 1 tails. There were dogs of many different breeds at the dog park last Saturday. 5 German Shepherds, 5 Rottweilers, and 10 mutts. What is the experimental probability that the first dog to arrive at the park next Saturday will be a German Shepherd? What it's looking for is, imagine I randomly select a dog. All these dogs are in a big bag, okay? I'll grab a dog out. What's the probability that it will be a German Shepherd? Well, there are 5 favorable outcomes out of how many possible outcomes? 5, 10, out of 20 possible outcomes. 5 favorable ones out of 20 possible ones, which is going to reduce to 1/4. Which is what? About a 25% chance. There's a 25% probability that the first dog is going to be a German Shepherd. There'd be a 50% possibility that it's going to be a mutt, or 25 for German Shepherds. A band sold out 3 of its last 12 shows. What is the experimental probability that the band's next show will be sold out? Well, 3 desirable outcomes out of 12, which will reduce to 1/3. That is not 1/3, that is 1/4. Which is 25%. There is a 25% chance that they will sell out their next show. Unless the band is Coldplay, in which case there's a 100% chance they're going to sell out the show. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.